and welcome to the $10 Den channel. My name is Lana Green, and on this channel, I am starting a new series called Let's Talk About. So today, let's talk about the Curtsy app. Curtsy is another reselling platform. I'm going to show you on my screen here. This is what it looks like down at the bottom. Curtsy has not been around for very long, and I've not been using it that long, just a few months, and have only made a handful of sales, but I'm really enjoying it so far. I think that they've taken a lot of things about other reselling platforms that people may not have liked so much, and they fixed those things. And of course, there's still some things that aren't perfect on the app, but I think this app really has a lot of potential. And so I really want to try to sell you on it because I want the app to do really well and I want as many people to use it as possible. I would love for it to get as big as some of the other ones. And I'll show you why I like it so much. The first thing, Curtsy, like the other reselling apps, they do take their fee. And anytime you sell an item, they take 20%. And if it's $15 or less, they take a flat $3. Poshmark takes $2.95, Curtsy takes $3. But I don't care so much with Curtsy, and I'll show you why. If I come down here to the bottom right and tap account, up here at the top left, you can see where it says 131. Those are Curtsy Coins. And the way you earn Curtsy Coins is basically to do anything. Post an item, you get 2 Curtsy Coins. Buy an item, you get 4 Curtsy Coins. Basically anything that you do in the app earns you Curtsy Coins. You don't have to follow or share or anything like that. You can follow people if you want to, but it's not necessary for your activity on the account to make sales. So right now I have 131. I could get a $5 coupon, $10 coupon, or a $15 coupon. But what I like to use them for, and what I think is one of the best features of this app, is if I go back to the account page, I can tap on order a shipping kit. And in this shipping kit, which would be free for me with my credits, it normally would be $2.99, but for me it would be free, and I just received one in the mail that was free also. I could get another one that's free if I wanted to. It lasts a really long time because the sales on here are a little bit slow for now, but it's so easy to ship and sell with Curtsy. So I really hope they grow and do really well. But let me show you what's in the shipping kit. They come with 6 medium poly mailers plus a bonus one. And this is what the poly mailers look like. They're very cute. They got the logo all over them. This is just your standard ones. So they've got a couple of larger ones as well. It's got the self-adhesive. And then you get a label, window sticker. You just cut your label, put it in there. This peels off. You can stick it onto the bag. And also, you have these really cute little thank you stickers with the Curtsy logo on it. I always write a thank you note as well and stick it in the bag, and so then I just put this sticker in without the adhesive part backing pull off in case they want to use it again. But I think that's a really cute addition. You get all of that stuff, and like I said, the credits build up really quickly, and you can just use them to keep redeeming free shipping kits and never have to pay for shipping supplies, even tape, which is great. I guess the only thing when I'm shipping with Curtsy that I spend money on is the cardstock paper that I use to write my thank you notes on and the ink and the pen, which I'm sure comes out to less than a penny. One thing, the thing that people probably love the most about Curtsy is that you get paid as soon as the post office scans in your package. You do not have to wait for the buyer to receive the package and to rate you and all of that. As soon as you take it to the post office and they scan it in, you get paid. You get your money, and you can cash it out right then if you want to. I have had to wait a week at least with some other platforms because you have to wait for the buyer to receive, and then they have 3 days to rate the item before you get paid out. And sometimes they just don't do it, and the time lapses, and they just give you an auto rating. Like Poshmark and Mercari, it is free to list. The fee just gets taken out of whatever you sell. Oh, another thing I like about this app is that when someone is interested in your item, they can request for the item to have shipping included. They can request free shipping, basically, if you're not offering it already. Someone did send me a request for that a couple of weeks ago when I made a sale, and I just went ahead and took it. I think it was already off of $10, a $10 sale, and they requested free shipping for it. And since the shipping materials were free and everything already, I went ahead and accepted it. I think the item cost me maybe 50 cents. I like it so much that I really want a lot of people to at least just try it. I want the app to do really well, and I'm excited about it. And I hope that you are too. After watching this video, I hope that you'll go and download the app and just give it a shot. It's really quick to list. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you've already been using Curtsy for a while, let me know how it's going for you. And if you like it as much as I do, feel free to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up. And thanks so much for watching, and have a Merry Christmas. Bye.